Well, hello everyone. So in this video, I want to go through a probably extremely common problem if you have the Dyson V15 cordless vacuum. And if you see over here, our Benjamin is holding the ring. This dustbin seal on the top of the dustbin is very prone to breakage, and mine actually broke, and I can't really fix it without ordering a replacement part. Now my V15 is actually under warranty. I went to Dyson's repair store. We're lucky to have one here at Fort Lauderdale, Miami, or like Florida. And basically the repair tech told me this part is out of stock for a long time. And you guys know why? It's probably because this thing is very prone to breakage. Lots of people probably have this problem. The ring just fell off, you know, on its own. And so in this video, I'm actually going to offer you guys a solution if you are still waiting for this part from Dyson. And that is Amazon. A lot of sellers are actually now selling a replacement ring, a brand new replacement ring that comes with a repair kit, a screw to take the old part off, and a brand new replacement ring. And I just bought this yesterday because without the seal, we tried to use it. The tech told us, oh, it's okay, you can just use it without the seal. I tried it and it actually gets a dust all over the area over here, which makes the machine very prone to breakage. And so I don't want to wait anymore. That's why I got the replacement part right here. We're gonna take it up, we're gonna open it up, take a look, and probably install the new part on the dustbin, and hopefully it would work just as good as the original Dyson. Now again, I'm still waiting for warranty replacement. I cannot wait. This one costs about, I think, $16 or $17. And this is what it looks like. This is the entire assembly for the top. So basically, all you're gonna do is using the included screw, take this off. We're just gonna do it right here, right now, okay? You're gonna take the old broken part off with the included screw. And let's see if it works. I need to figure out how to take this off, because even if I remove the screw, it did not take it off. There's no instruction included, so that's kind of weird. Looking at the structure, it looks like there are some tabs over here that's grabbing on to, so this is where the screw is, and there are some tabs on the edge, 2 tabs. So maybe you rotate it. I don't know, let's see. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Just some brute force, and it's off. The new one, so let's inspect. Now this one is broke, I think, from here. There's a little part that's missing. That's probably where it broke. If you look at the original part, or the replacement part, there is a little tab over here. I guess that's where you kind of secure the old one on here. But unfortunately, the old one just stopped working. Let me see if I can put it back. And I think you're supposed to put the tab on here. And kind of just lock it in place. Maybe. You know what, guys? I think I just fixed my old ring, so I can probably reuse the old one and return the new one. But if your old one is in fact broke, Amazon have replacement parts available. This is not genuine, this is aftermarket, and I believe it also fits over here. So let me pull it in. And again, this is a replacement part that actually is being sold on Amazon for $17. That's how much I paid for it. And it looks like it's working fine. Again, miraculously, I fixed my old ring. I thought it's completely broke, but apparently it just fall off. If it does fall off and your tab is still intact, you can just save the piece. This is a cover with a flat side facing outside, or with a flat side facing inside of the bin. And you just align the little tab with the screw, and you can actually push the part back in here. It might last you, you know, another couple hundred vacuums before it breaks again, but at least, you know, if you don't have a replacement part, you don't want to buy one, it still works. I'm gonna save the original one and just put the and just start using the new one and see whether it's gonna seal the dustbin or not. Because again, as I mentioned, it's very important because it seals the dust from coming from here, go back inside here. This is the vacuum, this is the suction part, and the stuff gets sucked in and it gets pushed to the bottom. If you don't have this, the suction is really bad. So the dust gets everywhere and it's very messy. So you definitely want to have this part intact, okay? But from the look of it, it seems like the replacement aftermarket one from Amazon is working perfectly fine. I don't have any need to get a new one, but even if I do, I still have the original part over here, okay? So that's how you replace it. It's actually super easy. Now, if your old one is broke and you only need a screw, this is a T8 screw. So all you need is a T8 screwdriver to actually loosen the pin. Let's see, where is the pin? Okay, so right here. I almost forgot. You gotta put this pin back on there. And don't throw this away because they are not giving you a new pin on the replacement part. You have to reuse the old screw, okay? So I am going to go get this off. And make sure you put the screw back onto the dustbin. Make sure you do that. And I totally forgot. Again, a T8 screw, that's all you need to reinstall the dust cover. Okay, and that's it. As simple as that. Now the suction is complete. There's a lot more suction compared to when I don't have the seal is broken. It works perfect. I discovered I can actually reuse my old part, so you don't have to go out and buy a replacement if you don't want to, as long as all the tabs on the inside of this part is intact. If your tab's broken, this part is probably eventually gonna fall off again and again. It's better off buying a brand new one that comes with a screw. And if the old one's tab is still working, you don't have to buy a new one. Just reuse your old one, but get a T8 screw so you can unscrew that little locking screw over here to get it off the vacuum and re-put it back on. And that's it. So I'm gonna, again, save the old one in case it breaks again. I know where to buy it and I'll reuse the old one. So that's it. Thanks again, guys. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. And I should have more, home improvement tips coming out for you guys. So thanks again and see you in the next video. Take care.